kind of prevailing weakness on the majority of markets. And we've just come up to the close, and the Nasdaq has just about recovered in terms of getting back off the low and having a good reaction sub 20k, which is a nice round number, significant milestone number for it to run. So pretty decent reaction on the downside. And we've also now got the build up here of the 4-hour divergence still in effect, primarily in effect on the Ostium oscillator. Technically losing the last low here, but having a good reaction for that 20k sweep. And I think probably kind of most of the concern now will revolve around structure side of things up here. And we're in this position where the low is now lost. So this is what we've been looking at from a higher time frame perspective, with a continued divergence, the confirmation of the divergence that we've now got here on the weekly as well. So continuing that kind of momentum shift. And we've now got the RSI in a place that historically for the last 2 years, it has bounced from every single time. We would hope that would be the case. But unfortunately, based on the close that we've just had, it looks as though we've got our low lost through here, just like we had back here in 21. So we've got that low that has now been officially lost. And that means that we're probably in this corrective territory. I think this level is actually a pretty good one to keep up on the chart, 20,800. We saw that last time the weekly low was lost, it was actually the resistance point then for the market trading back to the upside, both in the short term here, just 2 weeks after the low was initially lost, and then also trading back into it around 8 weeks later as well. So hopefully this level will be pivotal to us. Is it going to play out the same as before? Highly unlikely. However, we are setting up in that negative structure through here now. And like we said, this isn't a good look for the indexes now. It does set the way for this divergence to now play out. The divergence hasn't played out at this moment in time. The divergence is still on the cusp and the wave of playing out. And we are not seeing any sort of downside impulse that we would be comfortable or confident is representative of a weekly bearish divergence playing out.